I like to create tutorials, that's pretty well known, but what sets me apart from other content creators and influencers in the World Wide Web? Well, I don't just do tutorials that tell you how to do A to B, or I don't just keep regurgitating the same things that I could do each and every year. Yep, I do elemental tutorials on how to build websites and whatever, but that's not all I'm about. And what I'm trying to get across is how you need to be a little bit more different, inventive, and kind of show people that you can walk the walk and not just talk the talk. I'm not saying that anyone out there can create tutorials, even though technically anyone could, but it's about what you bring to the table. Am I just going to show you how to install WordPress elemental settings and do a template and build a page and then go and do the menu and this is where you go and stick your cookies plugin? Yeah, I could do that all day long. And I could keep producing the latest 2024, 2025, 2026 video. But I hope that you appreciate how I like to find new, innovative. I like to find new, I can't even get the word. I like to be innovative in new solutions that can reduce the need for you to use third-party plugins or really lengthy code that doesn't make much sense. Or you go and get something and you add it and it works, but then you want to refine it because of your branding or the website you're building for yourself or a client, but you're tied to the code. And when you do try and change it, it kind of breaks everything. So I try and find pretty good, decent solutions for you. And I feel like that sets me apart from a lot of other content creators out there. Okay. I don't just give you what you could get from anyone else. I like to be a little bit different. And I know a lot of you do love what I do. So it's not just me asking you to say thanks. I say thanks to you because some of the problems and issues that you've had, and I see on forums, I see it and I go, we need to find a way to solve this. Or there's got to be a better way of achieving XYZ without having to invest loads and loads of money in a third-party solution. Now, let's bring this full circle back to you as a business or a web designer. Everyone builds websites. Everyone's a web designer or a developer. But what are you going to do that's going to make you different? When you are putting out posts or advertising or you're telling people, I'm a web designer, what makes you special? What is going to make you stand out from everybody else out there? Is it like a certain niche you cater for? Or is it maybe how you build websites? In fact, how many of you are web designers that can work with CSS? How many of you are web designers that can build a solution or provide a website that's not relying on lots of third-party bits of kit? What can you do that's going to make a customer or a business go, I want to work with them? What are you going to do that's going to make you stand out and stop them going to other web designers?